Hi and welcome in this video. If you wanna have success in your life and financial freedom, one thing it's really important, and this is to track your expenses. So make sure to watch the video until the end because you will know exactly how to manage the money that you earn. It can be 1,000 or 10,000 money, it doesn't matter. The important thing is to manage the money in the right way so you know how much money you can invest and where your money goes. Because before starting to tracking my expenses and other stuff, I will just spend the money when I am out. And at the end of the month, I will see that I spent a lot of money in stupid stuff. But then once I've started to track my expenses subconsciously, when I went to the mall or in some place to buy something, I will think 2 or 3 times before to buy a thing that maybe I don't need, just maybe a drink or some food that I don't need. So with this thing in mind, you will absolutely increase the money that you keep for yourself and for your business. So as I said before, tracking your expenses is a really important part of your daily routine if you want to become successful, and there are pretty much 2 ways on how you can do it. I have 2 different ways, one for my personal stuff and the other with the business expenses. For my personal expenses, when I go out for the car, for food and other stuff, I will use the app Money Lover, it's called. You can find on App Store or Google Play Store. And you simply create your account and then you can add your expenses every time that you spend some money. You can add the category and all the information. And then at the end of the month, you will see exactly where you spent your money. Because if you see that this month you spent maybe $2,000 or $200 more than the past month, it's right to know where this money went and why. So the next month you can pretty much be more conscious of your choices and don't waste money. The second way is create a spreadsheet on Excel with all the income and the money that goes out with the reason. Maybe this was for a dinner with a client, this was for a service that I use with my computer, or this is a subscription for my website, whatever type of expenses that you have. And doing this at the end of the month, you will know exactly your numbers. So if you want to go live alone, if you want to save to buy something, you know exactly how much money you have made, how much money went in your business expenses, and how much money in your personal expenses. And then you can go deep and see in your personal expenses the exact type of expenses that you had. For example, dinner out, fun, food, and other stuff, maybe clothing. So the next point is a really good tip, and it can seem very obvious, but it's really important, and is to cut stupid expenses. Maybe when you go out, take the water from home. When you are doing something in a mall or in a shop, just think 2 or 3 times before buy an item. Then everything depends on your situation, but if you're starting a business, it's better to save money to reinvest in your business and don't spend it in stupid stuff. But if you're already successful, you can just buy the things that you want and maybe don't think about it too much. But as I said before, cut those stupid expenses like alcohol, smoking, the bad habits, and also maybe when you are in a front of a choices to choose the product A or the product B, just look for the product that maybe has the best report quality price. The next point is to invest money to grow your business. This is fundamental, and this is the most important part of this video, because if you don't put money in your business will never grow. I have seen that I have done some months without investing, and it grows a little bit. But then I started to do Google Ads in January, and I pretty much had four clients in 1 month. Now I am increasing the budget and keeping my advertising. And like 3 years ago, another client contacted me for a website from the Google Ads. So I can say that the return on investment it's pretty much good, and you should try yourself. Yes, you can lose money at the beginning. You should learn how this advertising platform works, but if you just try, you will see that the results will come, and your business will grow, because you just think, okay, I need this $400 now, or it's more important my final goal. For me, it's more important my final goal. So I am able to take this $400 and invest in my business now, and don't buy funny things or stupid stuff to grow a really great business. The next point is you should save some money for other investments, because if you are an entrepreneur, you probably want a lot of streams of income, so you need to create it. Maybe for a side business, save some money and start another business, or invest in a business of your friend. Maybe you can partnership with a friend, and you say that you put all the money, all the capital, and your friend do all the work for that business. So you don't have a lot of time involved, and your money will grow, and you will create another business. Or you can simply invest in the stock market. For example, now I am buying some quotes of some companies. I am buying and sell it, and I will say that I profit a little bit, but I am playing with really low numbers. I am just playing with $100. And then once I can see that the strategy works, I can increase the budget and see that the money will grow. But it's important to before really know what you are doing, and not just throw away money in the stock market, because it will be a stupid thing and it's not a good investment. Another point that it's really important, and I am maybe seeing now, is to save money for the bad days and the bad periods, because in business life go up and go down, and there will absolutely be some days where you struggle to find clients and find money. So it's good to have some money saved, maybe in another bank account, so once the month is not good or you cannot pay all the bills, you can take this money for emergencies, and then you pay that money. Once you have your money back, you will absolutely refill that bank account, so for the next time you are ready. And also you are not stressed, because you know that maybe you can have 0 clients for 2 months, and you can continuously pay all the bills and everything. And the last point, but it's really important, is to pay yourself, because pretty much you earn a lot of money, you reinvest a lot of money, you save money, but you should also enjoy yourself and enjoy the life, but not too much. You should set up maybe a percentage of your income. It can be maybe 5 or 10% maximum of your income, and then with this money you can go out, have fun, have a good dinner with your friends, or maybe go in a little travel every 3 or 4 months, so you keep enjoying the process, and you keep the motivation during the journey, because it's really difficult, and pretty much it's really bad, a bad mood if you work straight without enjoying yourself, and you will lose the motivation, and you will lose your purpose because you don't see something that pays you back. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.